Hi beautiful people, this is Mom Toans and welcome back. May na gising namin. Try na natin yung chocolate. Fun. Say hi daw. Costco. Tapos nag-additional pala ako for TB check. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is our day off. Day off namin today guys. So magbabrunch kami sa cafe. Sana Cafe here in Cheltenham. Yeah, come join us. Ito na kami sa Sana Coffee here in Cheltenham. And we've already ordered na. Ang in-order namin, sando. One is sando. One is yung chef special nila, which includes like salmon onigiri and something like that. Hindi ko na alam. And a side of chicken karaage. For the drinks, I ordered, of course, iced matcha latte and iced chocolate. So, tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung taste. But according sa reviews, maganda daw and masarap. Gutom na kami, guys. Because last kain namin kahapon pa, which is morning, like 10 a.m. And today, 10 a.m. It's already 11:55 a.m. 11:55 a.m. As in, like, in the morning, pagising, like, grrrr, maganon na yung tiyan ko. Kasi pumunta pa kasi kami ng, like, shopping center para magpagupit, one, and ako nagpa-underarm wax ako. Ang isang oras yata kami dun. And bumili ako nag-sale yung Target. So, bumili ako ng, sandal doon. $10 lang. So, we'll just wait for the food and let's eat. Really good. Kasi hindi sweet. So, masarap siya. Masarap. Try na natin yung chocolate. Sarap. Hindi matamis. Masarap ng matcha. Very earthy. Very matcha. Very baliw. Say hi daw. Hi daw.
Bye.
Naubos. Hello guys, here at Costco. Guys, hindi. Sunflower oil. Dito kami sa Costco. Bumili lang ng oil and sabon. Today pala guys, medical namin. Medical line today and busog na busog kami. Actually, according naman dun sa yung binigay nila na instructions, okay lang daw kumain. Yeah.
Pero tatain na siya.
Pero natatain na ako. So, join us guys. Bawal yata din mag-shoot. So, see you na lang. Hindi ko kayo masasama.
Hindi talaga pwede. Hindi ko pwede sama.
Drive safely.
Hindi talaga to siya pwede mag-vlog guys. O, diba? See you! We're done! We're done guys! We're done! Kailangan tanggalin yung lahat ng jewelries. So, this is the proof. Ito yung exit. Init! Asan yung yeah, okay. Dun kaya tayo. Hi guys, we're at Bing Chilling. And, siscan lang namin to. For, para mag-order. Pinunta talaga namin to. Like, 30 minutes away. Kung saan kami kanina. Is for Bingsu. Kasi ang init-init today. Today is
30?
30. So, kailangan namin ng something malamig. So, plan namin is to order this one. Yung mango na bingsu. Wait. Done! Total is $17.26. Earlier, magkano nabayad natin kanina sa cafe?
80.
$80 na bayaran namin kanina. Tapos nag-additional pala ako kanina sa sa medical ko ng for TB check. Kasi nag-work diba ako sa aged care. So, tinanong ako ng doctor doon if nag-work ba, if I am planning to work in the aged care. Tapos sabi ko, I am already working. And, yun, sinabi nila sa akin na kailangan daw mag-add ng TB test.
May caramel popcorn.
Nasa Asian shop kami. Daming mga Pilipino na pagkain. Daming tao. Ay, matcha. Kano to? Pili ako ng matcha powder. We found hopia! Hahanap kami ng pupuntahan, guys. Kahanap ako ng Bayside.
Sarap din daw yung pink dumpling kitchen.
Dito? Tara. Tara. Upo muna tayo sa kotse. Upo muna tayo. Pili kami nito. Very nice. Kinainan ko na, guys. Let's start. Tinry ko na, actually. Nabili namin sa Asian store. Actually, dapat ganito kasi siya. May purpose kasi to. Tingnan mo, ang sarap. Hi guys, we're home. Nakauwi na ako and after nun, kumain lang kami sa Filipino restaurant. Parang siya, karinderya type. Kumain lang kami doon and after that, nagbili kami ng cake for kuya cause yung may-ari nito, yung anak na may-ari nito, birthday ni kuya. So, ng bahay. So, bumili lang kami ng cake and yeah, that was it. That was the day, guys. Finally, nagka-day off din after 2 weeks. That was it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Mom Twins. And again, see you on my next one. Bye!